Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan and this is
Poppy.
And today we are going to be opening a Lorcana booster box for Into the Inklands. There's 24 packs in there. We went to Nerd Base to get this the other day, didn't we, Pops?
Yes.
And we're excited, so let's get to it. Okay, so new for this series, there is shrink wrap on the top. So let's try and get our ways into it.
Getting into it now.
So me and Pops are going to be doing 12 packs each. Aren't we, Pops?
Yeah. You're going to be going first. I'm going to be going next.
Satisfying sound. Right. So, let's start.
Would you like to start?
I'll start. Now these are very annoying to open. We're not pros yet. This is only our... We've only done a few packs so far. So if we just start. First card, Duck Manor. Rizal. Jim Hawkins. Jetsam. Magic Carpet. Miss Bianca. Has My Heart. Clarabelle. Tiana's Palace. Thaddeus E. Clang. Mufasa. Super Rare Wendy Darling. And a foil Stitch. We'll do the next box for the next pack, Pops?
Yeah.
And I'm going to start just peeling apart the tops. Oh, well done.
I could do this very easily opening these.
Okay.
We got King Louis, Robin Hood, Nakamura, I Will Find My Way, the song,
Good one.
Magic Broom,
Yeah.
Quick Patch,
Lovely.
it's an action card, Cuzco's Palace,
From the Emperor's New Groove.
Captain Hook's Rapier, Magic and the Spell, Gustav the Giant, Peter Pan, and
Foil
foil
Dalmatian Puppy. Okay, my pack. Okay. Louis. Gizmo Suit. Milo Thatch. Jetsam. Magic Broom. Neverland. Wildcat's Wrench. The Queen. I've Got a Dream. Bell's House. Sheriff of Nottingham. Super Rare. Lovely. And a foil McDuck Manor. Want to go next?
Yep. Here we go. Hard to open. These are very hard to open.
So you carry on with that one.
Got it. Right, so, first card. McDuck Manor, Minnie Mouse, Agrabah, Don Carnage, Diablo, Joshua Sweet, Flintheart, Long Gold, Hydros, Jolly Roger, RLS, Legacy, Magic and the Spell,
Super Rare.
and a foil Tinkerbell.
Foil Tink, cool.
I needed that one.
My pack. Do you want to start opening another one, darling? So you ready to go?
Yeah.
Louis again. Minnie Mouse. Moana. Cubby. Diablo. We've got a lot of him. Orville. Kit Cloud Kicker. Starkey. Sorcerer's Tower, that's a nice card. Whale Maui rare. Ursula rare. Oh, and a foil super rare Ariel.
That one is a really good card. Next one we have Pluto, the Boom action card, Jim Hawkins, Airfoil, Magic Carpet, Heal What Has Been Hurt, Lithos, It Calls Me, so
Nice card.
Group, The Bosses on the Roll, some cards, love that one. Ultra Rare Scrooge McDuck, already have one of those. And a foil Agrabah.
Very nice. Okay. Gramatala. Olympus would be that way. Peter Pan. Cubby again. The Firebird. Patch. Ursula. Queen of Hearts. The Bayou, finally, we need that one. Lucky. Covert Agent Stitch. And a Rise of the Titans foil card.
Got some new cards.
Still no enchantments yet.
No. Maze Marion. Razzle. Webby Wonderquack. The Hiss. The Queen. Mr. Snoops. Kick Cloud Kicker, Pluto, Nala, the Lamp, and then along came Zeus, some card, and a foil I Will Find My Way.
Nice card. Right. Pluto, Kida, Kakamora, Sir Hiss, Iago, Kida again, Nani, Hey Hey, Rise of the Titans, Map of Treasure Planet, Starlight Vial, and a foil Chief Tui.
That was a very good pack. Well, just I'll get any good cards. Captain Amelia, Helga Sinclair, Nutsy, Skippy, Iago, Boss's Orders, How Far Will I Go song, for lots of them, Magic Card Dispel.
We met Julia Rosa the other day, didn't we, at the Disney store?
Yeah. I've Got a Dream song card, Friend Like Me another song card, needed that, Treasure Guardian, Magic and Dispel foil.
Awesome.
And that's it for that one.
Trying to get better at this.
You need help?
Go on then, you can have that
I'm
one.
a pro at this.
Let me try. These ones have been a bit harder to open than the other packs.
I have.
Go on, you take that one and pops.
While he's open that, I'll do this one. My Marion,
Again.
Gizmo Suit, Webby Wonderquack, Milo Thatch, Magic Broom, Joshua Sweet, Flynn Hart Glomgold, Wildcat, Last Ditch Effort, I love that card, Pluto, Genie,
Oh, we need that one, super rare.
yeah, and a foil Flotsam.
Okay, let's go with my one. Repair, Chief Tui, Moana, Strike a Good Match, Magica Dispel, Cleansing Rainwater, Dewey, Hydros, Jolly Roger, Bernard, Queen's Castle Rare, and a foil Gizmo Suit.
Alright, let me do the next one then. Oh.
You reckon the place?
King Louis, Robin Hood, Voyage, Flotsam, Magica Dispel, Quick Patch, Prince John,
PJ.
Wendy Darling, The Bayou, another one of those. On Your Feet. Now, action. Madame Medusa.
Oh, nice, super rare.
Super rare, already got one of those. Neverland foil.
Oh, lovely. Right. Repair. Mickey Mouse, nice card. Billy Bones. Skippy. Pua. Dalmatian Puppy 4D. 99 Puppies. Scrooge McDuck. Dive Bomb. John Silver Rare. Lyle Tiberius Rourke Super Rare. And a foil Distract.
That's one of the Distract cards.
Think so far, Pops?
We got good cards so far. Distract. It's got one of them foils. Eeyore. Agrabah. Zazu. Lena Saberwing. Wing. Neverland. Motunui. Mama Odie. Maui. Soaring Demigod. Love that one. Audrey Ramirez. Mickey Mouse.
Oh, legendary, nice.
And a full bestower gift. That was a good card.
Yeah, we need that Mickey Mouse. We're going to go for our whole collection very soon on the channel as well, because we only need a few now. Right, Distract again.
Yep.
Nottingham, nice card. Voyage. Flotsam.
Again.
Bestow a Gift. Dalmatian Puppy 4A. Kit Cloud Kicker. Tinkerbell. Simba. Aurelian Gyro Sensor. Piglet, super rare. And a foil Milo Thatch.
I'll do the Piglet pack because Piglet card. And now for another one. They're coming in the end now. Pretty sad. Right, so starting off with Vault Door, Helga Sinclair, Nutsy, let's have a Caesar, Airfoil, The Firebird, Hear What Has Been Hurt, which is a song,
It's a nice card.
Friar Tuck, Pluto, I love these Pluto cards, Little John, Maui's Fish Hook, I like that card.
Bare Necessities, we need that one rare.
That's a good one. Scrooge McDuck.
Oh, foil, lovely. We got the foil promo cards the other day at the Disney store as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Kit Cloud Kicker. Keeda. Della Duck. DeVille Manor. Pua. Miss Bianca. How Far I'll Go. Has My Heart Marvellous Clarabelle. Mama Odie. Super rare Helga Sinclair. Lucky Dime Legendary. Beautiful. And a Starlight Vial. Foil.
Surprising how many good cards we have.
I like to see Clarabelle Cow get some love, finally get a card.
Yeah. We don't have many cards though yet in this pack. I don't want it in this one. Fingers crossed, getting ultra rares. Captain Amelia. Chief Tui. Milo Thatch. Strike a Good Match, that rhymes. The Queen. Mr. Snoops. Genie. Sherna Boggs Followers. Slightly Lost Boy. Minnie Mouse. I like that one, that's one of my favourites. Cernabog, already have one of these. Hades.
Oh, foil, nice.
Foil rare.
Right, let's carry on. Vault Door. Eeyore. Stitch. Milo Thatch. Forbidden Mountain. Orville, Tiana's Palace, Scroop, Nala, Rare Baloo again, RNS Legacy Rare, and a foil Friar Tuck.
We just got the normal one earlier.
How many packs have we got left? 1, 2, 3 left.
Bring that back there. Oh, this is getting...
It's getting tense.
Yeah, so if we're going to pull a Enchanted at any point. We do have an Enchanted from the first set, I think.
Yeah, we got Maui from the first set. It's the only Enchanted we have.
Grandma Tala, Nottingham, Stitch, Don Carnage, Forbidden Mountain. I don't know if we have that one or not. Patch, Robin's Bow, Rolly, Simba, that's a pretty card. Mama Odie.
Nice.
Morph. And a rare foil Moana.
That's beautiful, that one. Right. Rufus. Baboon. Peter Pan. DeVille Manor. Bestow a Gift. Cleansing Rainwater. Scrooge's Top Hat. Magic Broom. Trigger. Oh, super rare Simba, which we already have. Super rare Prince Eric. And a foil, I've Got a Dream.
That was a good pack.
That was a good pack, 2 super rares.
After this one, we're going to have one left.
And I think that Legendary is going to escape us this time, don't you?
Yeah, I hope in one of these 2 packs we do get an Enchanted.
Enchanted, sorry.
But I doubt what's going to happen. Cloud Kicker. Olympus would be that way. Then a duck. I Will Find My Way song, which you have many of. Magic Broom. Boss's Orders. Mr. Smith, I think we needed that one. Jafar. Sumerian Talesman. Captain Hook.
Yeah, finally, Legendary Jafar.
We needed that one. A foil Magic Broom.
Right.
That's my last pack.
Right.
What are we going to pull?
Rufus. Mickey Mouse. Billy Bones. Zazu. Lena Saberwing. Kida. Kit Cloud Kicker.
Crossing everything.
Prince John. It calls me. Hades. Rare Robin Hood. Oh, and a common quick patch.
Foil.
No Enchanted today, Pops.
No.
Was that fun?
Yes.
I've been Dan, you've been.
Pops.
And we'll see you again real soon. Please give us a like and a subscribe.
Hoping we will get an Enchanted next time.
Fingers crossed. Bye.
Bye.